America has had 9 justices on the Supreme Court since 1869. But now that conservatives hold a 6-3 majority on the High Court, some Democratic lawmakers and liberal groups say it's out of balance and needs to be fixed.
The court's illegitimate far-right majority, installed through hyper-partisan political schemes, will put even settled precedents on our rights at risk.
Liberal groups like Demand Justice among those pushing a Democratic bill to so-called pack the court. President Biden is not a fan of packing the court, but he announced the commission to study expanding and altering the Supreme Court. On Wednesday, 36 members of the commission met for the first time virtually.
I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
And I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
To discuss reforming the High Court. The commission, made up of dozens of scholars and activists, mostly liberal and some conservatives, met to lay the groundwork for the group's agenda.
We definitely have our work cut out for us.
The idea of expanding the number of justices getting the most attention.
We plan to look, as others have indicated, not only at current proposals, but also proposals about membership and size that have been floated at other times in American history.
The commission will also explore if Congress has the power to reverse Supreme Court rulings and whether justices should serve on the bench for life.
We're going to look at the justices' length of service and how frequently the court's membership should turn over. And this is going to include proposals for term limits and mandatory retirement.
Conservatives have blasted Biden's proposal to overhaul the High Court. After all, Biden in 1982 said packing the court was, quote, a bonehead idea.
There's not a problem on the court. The only problem is that the left for years has relied upon the judiciary to do its bidding.
Senator Lindsey Graham telling CBN's Abigail Robertson that all that changed when President Trump put 3 conservative judges on the bench, tilting it in their favor.
And the goal of the liberal left is to stack it with liberals to undercut the conservative majority that all of us have worked so hard to obtain through the right process.
The group will hold several more meetings over the next 6 months before giving the president their analysis. George Thomas, CBN News.